This simple drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. Diabetes is a lifetime disease that requires dieting, exercises, and medication. While there is no cure for diabetes, you can control the sugar levels naturally. Try these remedies and effectively control your blood sugar levels. Make sure you are trying home remedies in addition to your regular diabetes treatment. Diabetes causes, types, and symptoms. If there is nothing to worry too much about. There are many ways to control diabetes naturally. This way is simply incredible numerous ingredients: bananas, apples, and kiwis. Finally, a handful of basil seeds. Method of preparation. Bananas. An average-sized banana contains around 27 to 30 grams of carbohydrates. More than half of these carbohydrates are made up of sugars. The larger banana, the higher the sugar content is. That said, bananas also contain important nutrients such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. Apples. They also contain a good amount of fiber, which is an important part of a healthy diet. One small 6-ounce apple contains the following: 80 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 0 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 2 milligrams of sodium, 164 milligrams of potassium. In addition, apples contain vitamin C and a number of phytonutrients including quercetin, camphophyrol, myricetin, and chlorogenic acid. Anthocyanins are what gives apples their red color. Don't worry if the names are unfamiliar. What's important to know is that these natural substances provide a number of health benefits. Kiwis. Fruits like the kiwi fruit contain simple sugars known as fructose. Fructose is similar to refined sugar as it can be digested by the body easily. It enters our bloodstream quickly, but unlike refined sugars found in chocolate and sodas, fructose is slow releasing, and for diabetics, this is very important. Slow releasing means your body cannot use fructose in its original form. It has to be converted into glucose. This conversion process slows down the release of these sugars into your cells and body's metabolism. In this way, your blood sugar levels do not spike up down as they would by eating foods containing refined sugars. Another kiwi fruit benefit for diabetes is the carbohydrate called inositol, which is well known to help regulate insulin levels. Basil seeds. Holy basil may also help to lower fasting and post-meal blood glucose levels. Holy basil was found to reduce fasting blood glucose levels by approximately 17.6% and post-meal blood glucose levels by 7.3%. More research needs to be done to confirm whether or not holy basil can effectively lower blood glucose levels. Soak some basil seeds in water before 30 minutes. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and pour half a liter of water over them. Use. Drink half a liter of this delicious juice in the morning and consume the rest throughout the entire day. By taking this juice regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.